Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create angel glow ray body effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to duplicate this video like this and put it on the second layer right here, and I'm going to go to the remove background option, and I'm going to remove the background of the second video, and we can go to the adjustment, and we can go to the curve, and then you can drag to the left like this to make it white. And then I'm going to apply glow effect to the second video. Go to effect, and you have to search for the angel effect, and I'm going to apply the effect right here. Okay, and then we can go back to the original video and copy the original video. Wait, I'm going to put it on the third layer like this. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the background as well. We can go back to the basic and then select a remove background. Wait guys. Okay, go to the video, remove background, auto removal. Wait, I'm going to adjust the effect. Okay, and this is the final result, and you can adjust the strength of the glow effect like this. You can adjust it according to your needs. Okay guys, and that's how we can create angel glow ray body effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.